Okay, so here we have some data, and this is a frequency chart, and we have our names or our classes over here. They're the names basically of this, but you could have your classes over here and your frequencies over here. And so what we want to do is observe, we want to highlight this and keep your observed and your frequency. Those would be the names, or put your number of children, number of families there if you want. So that these are the headers on the axes. Go up to Insert. Now this is a Mac, and so when I come in here, I'm going to do this recommended charts. But if I was on a PC, I think, in Excel, I do this. I click the three bars, which looks like that, and then I come down to More Column Charts. And then you'll get something that looks like this one. It says frequency on top. It shows your classes or your values in the holders with the data or frequencies going up. So it's a frequency chart. And then you have your bar graph. Now what we're going to do is kind of edit this, hopefully, so I can click those bars and then go to add data labels. It's very similar in the PC. It was the same thing. Click your bars again, right click that, then what we do is take the gap width and reduce it to 0. You'll notice that then the gaps are gone, and there's something very similar to that in the PC. Right click again, and we can click the bucket, and I'm going to do the border and just put a solid line in there of some color, maybe I don't know, something you can see, right? Red. And then make that maybe a point, and now you can see it. So it's very similar in the PC. You're just right clicking your data and formatting it, and now I can see my histogram 8, 11, 18, 11, 6, and it looks like it's skewed to the right. Okay, so that's how you make a histogram with Excel.